Kementeri Berdipet Iarap Karyang Kong Amprin Lengdo kala pentip haying dorbar bamenta da kejingdon juga skim CM Assure kan Iarap bat plila dekipaj Nongrep Synsar bakin amdi tat iu Synsar habakador Hiar hayo. Yakni Kementeri kala jubab halor kejingkeli bawanra da UMLA ke amlarem pakla Kemenrumbui haki kenta keli jingkeli haying dorbar tauan kejela hakasengi pale. Menteri rang ba apat upong bakani ka CM Assure kan Iarap ikinong rep hakapor bakia kendo haka kim khat knang ba kinom di tat dor yaki marep. Karbana kaliang UMLA kamelem ba RV lingdopan ula kentui ke sorkar bakan petlam habaya day berkador jong upan ubaki pat ba harilum khasi kirep ba.
Thank you, Mr. Chief Minister. The crux of the matter is that marketing, sir. It is very difficult for the farmer because we have seen the production of the broom every year is increased. So I request the government to explore the possibility how to market, where to market this broom so that the burden will not fall on the government itself, but it will help the farmer if we could market the broom. Whether the government have explored the market possibility for the broom grass which produced in Meghalaya? That is my question.
Yes, sir. In fact, in the pilot project, sir, the board has recovered approximately 70% of the investment already. So that's the kind of number that we're looking at. And sir, markets, right now the market is it's fluctuating because suddenly neighboring states like in the northeast were not actually engaging in broom grass, now suddenly have also started picking up and are engaging in broom grass cultivation. So we have a competition now. So in 22, 23, 24, there was a huge stock and there was a freeze of market circulation of the broom. 2021, especially because of the COVID, suddenly there was this big boost in the market and suddenly the prices, scaled very high. So farmers then got interested in this product and they started furthering their plantations in broom cultivation. So market demands, the government is engaging actively across the board. We have engaged with all Government of India agencies, whether it's APEDA, whether it's, all of those government agencies. We are engaging very, very actively with TriFed. We are trying to dovetail this scheme with all of these Government of India schemes, Tribal Affairs Department. So we are definitely working on it, sir. And this particular value enhancement for broom will evolve in the days to come.
Thank you, Minister, for the reply. And I'm very satisfied with the step taken by the government to help the broom cultivators in the state of Meghalaya. Having said that, I also request the government to take the possibility to enlighten the farmer that as the other day the Honorable Minister has mentioned the monocropping, we have to try to see that wherever the broom is cultivated, whether any other crop, the dedicated officer should be deputed to see whether any other crop besides broom could be cultivated so that even if the price of broom come down, at least the farmer could recover from the crop. This is the only suggestion, Mr. Speaker, sir. Thank you.
Noted, sir.